You'll be turning up 18, you will be having a right to vote. देश चलाना है आपने. You are just giving this opportunity आपको यहाँ पे मिली है for the elections. I was a prefect myself when I was in school. So two things which I just want these you to take away from your 11th and 12th standards. The very first thing is the connectivity. Today, Salman School is a very big family. You are having good sections. When I was there, the sections were till F. Now they have increased more. So the thing is that मैं A section में पढ़ता हूँ, मैं B section में पढ़ता हूँ, and I don't know who is studying in E, D, F. We have our groups, we have our friends, only limited to our sections. But please enhance your friendship. लोगों से मिलो, उनसे बात करो. Because as soon as you are going to pass out from this school, you have seen that movie Three Idiots? Life is a race. Your race will begin. And I am telling you very honestly, your all alumni will always be there for you at every time you need. The only thing is that you need to stay connected. Everybody is having their own passion. किसी को इंजीनियर बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, somebody wants to be a musician. I'm a lawyer by profession. So the thing is that stay connected, make your networking very strong. Today you have so much of applications. At our time we used to ask homework from the landline. We used to call our friend and say, हाँ जी क्या homework किया आज मैंने छुट्टी ले ली है, please tell me. So the technology has developed and you guys are all very prone to the technology. So I request you please make connectivity, make friends, and ये जो दोस्ती है ना 11वीं 12वीं की, ये पूरी जिंदगी रहती है. Throughout your life, the people you will meet in your college, the people you will meet in your profession will be having a totally different पॉपुलेशन जो आप लोग आज यहाँ पे साथ में बैठे हो असेंबली के अंदर, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर सिटिंग विद योर फ्रेंड्स? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. यस, मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर सिटिंग विद योर फ्रेंड्स टुडे. हम लोग भी बैठते थे दोस्तों को, मतलब it is not a height-wise line, so at least we have a comfortable situation. We are sitting with a friend. Try to connect with your friends, and this is the phase you go through many changes. हमारी दोस्ती में ना लड़ाइयाँ बहुत हो जाती हैं और हम बुरा मान जाते हैं. यार इसने हमें ये कह दिया, उसने हमें, हम कहते हैं उससे बात मत करो. तो वो तो आज के टाइम पे एप्पल में बैठा है, वो यूएस के अंदर बैठा है, मैं उससे बात कर रहा था तो मेरी नौकरी लगवा देता. So you never know, and please, if you are scoring good marks, बहुत अच्छी बात है. I was an average student. मेरे कोई बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आते थे. 10th और 12th के अंदर मैंने मेहनत करी, बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए जहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट थी. The only thing is that dedicatedly attend your lectures. This is very important. हम लोग कई बार अपने लेक्चर्स और अपनी क्लासेस मिस कर देते हैं ये सोच के कि कोई बात नहीं, होमवर्क के टाइम पे हम इसको याद कर लेंगे, उसको पूरा कर लेंगे, ट्यूशन ले लेंगे. बट द थिंग दैट 45 मिनट्स जो टीचर आपके ऊपर स्पेंड कर रहा है क्लास के अंदर, जस्ट अ पोर्शन ऑफ द लेक्चर दैट विल गो एंड रिटेन इन योर माइंड थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ. So these are very small things that will totally change the entire outlook on what you are perceiving. And please, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. डू नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योरसेल्फ टू अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग की इन्फ्लुएंशियल है. मेरा दोस्त कह रहा है मेरे को डॉक्टर बनना है, माय फादर इज अ डॉक्टर और ही इज अ बिजनेसमैन. जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं, फाइंड योर स्ट्रेंथ्स. प्लीज लुक इनसाइड यू. हंसी आ रही है? चलो एक काम करते हैं, एक ना जोर से give me a very big laugh and I need a very big cheer from all of you. Can I have a cheer please? Once again. अरे नहीं कहेगी टीचर, तुम्हें कोई बड़ा भाई बैठा है यहाँ पे तुम्हारा. Don't worry. That is why what we are saying, you know, when I joined my profession, I got to know, I get connected with my seniors, my alumni, and they will literally help you throughout your life because they belong to this family. This is a family, they are bound down. आप सब लोग जितने यहाँ पर बैठे हैं ना, आप बाध्य हैं एक दूसरे की मदद करने के लिए. You have to help each other because you belong to this family. Please remember this, and this will help you entire your life. Find your strengths. If you are good in music, be passionate about your music. If you are not finding a career in your music, but still do whatever you wish to do. Now, I just want a minute of silence. Just a pin drop silence. Now something very serious, बहुत सीरियस बात मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे, and you should please have it in your mind and throughout your life. एक चीज कभी मत भूलना, भीना एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज भगवान ने दी है, आपकी स्माइल. Never forget to smile throughout your life, no matter whatever your board result is, no matter you are passing through an exam, no matter you are winning a competition or not, but this smile will always motivate you throughout your life. और अगर अपनी स्माइल से मोटिवेशन नहीं आती ना, और किसी और की स्माइल से मोटिवेशन आती है, तो उसकी स्माइल भी याद रखनी है. ठीक है? So we can have a huge round of laugh today. Then let us give it up. खुल के हंसो यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? एक बार हंसो तो सही. See, we all are thinking हम एक बाउंड्री में बंद के बैठे हुए हैं. नहीं, we can't do this in our assembly. We can't laugh. Yes, you can laugh because today you are having an opportunity. Let us give it a big hoot. Woo! हेड बॉय और हेड गर्ल के ऊपर बची है, मैं देख रहा था यहाँ पे, है ना? तो उससे भी ज्यादा तालियां आप लोगों ने अपने लिए करनी है, बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज समथिंग इनसाइड कीप योर पैशन राइजिंग। जो दिल में है वो करना है, स्विमिंग करनी है तो करेंगे, गाना गाना है तो गाएंगे, बट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से नहीं भाग सकते ये बोल के कि मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा। So there is always a balance. Keep a balance, and all the best to all of you. I am Jatin Kumar signing off from you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
Thank you so much. For instance, back in 2010, my then principal was ready to drag me from the ground to her office, holding my ear for a grave mistake. You see, it was the final of the inter-house basketball match, or I think Tagore was playing with Gandhi and Nehru. It was all very tense. And in the middle of the match, I told my teammates, "Arey ball pass karna, mere pyare dost." And me, being the very over-emotional, over-invested team player, said, "No ma'am, I can't leave my team alone. They need me here, and these 70 minutes are all I have." Not like I went all Shah Rukh Khan on her, but it worked. She rolled her eyes at me and then let me play anyway on just one condition, when running away seemed like the only option. But the school and the teachers never gave up on me, especially on days when I sort of gave up on myself. They stood right next to me and helped me pick up the pieces again and again and again till I succeeded. It also taught me that not everything is everyone's cup of tea, but that doesn't mean you can't take a sip every once in a while. Salvan was my home. It laid the foundation for the person that I am today. To the members of the Prefectorial Board elect, I extend my warmest congratulations. You have been entrusted with a great responsibility to lead by example, to inspire your peers, and to uphold the values of excellence and integrity that define our alma mater. As you take on this role, remember that leadership is not merely about holding a title or wielding authority. It is about serving others with humility, empathy, and a sense of purpose. Lead not with arrogance, but with grace. But most importantly, you must remember that these rules do not apply around Diwali time. So, shield your friends a little, hide their stash. And here's an expert tip I wanted to share, but I thought I'll not. You can easily bunk 2 periods in the name of checking and nobody will mind. With dedicated leaders like you at the helm, I am confident that Salvan will continue to inspire generations to strive for greatness and excellence. In closing, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the faculty and staff of Salvan for their tireless dedication and unwavering support in shaping the leaders of tomorrow. May your passion for education continue to ignite the flames of curiosity and ambition in the hearts of your students for years to come. Congratulations once again to the Prefectorial Board elect. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So I used to get told a lot. So my studies were really hampered, but all of the teachers, Charu ma'am was also there, I remember Rekha ma'am, and Vinod sir was my PT teacher. So all of these faculty members really helped me a lot to cope up with my studies, and you know that because managing both was very difficult. So these teachers helped me. They used to give me extra classes. I had very much help in making the projects and all. So the only thing I want to say is that follow your passion, because what you feel you want to do in life, just stick to that, stick to your gut. Because if you try to change so many things, you see other people doing this, okay, she is doing this, so I want to do that. Don't be like that. Try to follow what your heart says. Because I started early, I knew that okay, I wanted to do shooting. Because when I started, so I knew it that
all of you. It's a very proud moment to have our alumni with us today, to have our new leaders with us today, and also all our students and staff. I will begin with what the head boy said and even the director sir said, that leadership is not about position, it's about action. Leadership is not about authority, it is about stewardship. Leadership is not a one-man show, it is teamwork. And a leader always takes the team forward and stands by the team all the time. That's what true leadership is. Also, those of you who have been elected as a student council this year, I would say it is a moment of pride for you, but it is also an opportunity for you to learn and grow. This is the most important thing that you can do as a leader. So that's my message for those who have been elected as leaders. Those who have not been elected but who were, there for all the rounds and could not come to the final position. My message to you is that believe in yourself. Shine where you are. Follow your heart, as our alumni said, and you are a leader. If you display these qualities, believe in yourself. Know yourself and follow your passion. And do your best. You are going to be a leader anyway. So you are a leader. Just the fact you haven't come here, you can be a leader there. So all those who are not elected as leaders, do I have a promise from you that you are still going to display and grow as leaders right there. All those who are in those rounds. Can I have those hands who were in the round, first, second, third, but never came to the last round? So please, all of you, you have to continue growing. You were no less than others. It was just that there are only limited seats and we have to select a few and leave a few. So that's my message to you. And finally, a really proud moment to have my alumni here with me. Thank you so much, Advocate Jatin Kumar. Thank you so much, Meghna Chadha. Thank you so much, Sergeant Shiv Shukla, for coming here today, taking out the time and motivating our students. I think sometimes they become very indifferent to what we say as a teacher. But coming from you all, it makes a lot more, sense to them. So it's really great to have you here. And one thing that Advocate Jatin Kumar said, Beta, this is the time for you to nurture your friendships. Nurture your friendships, they're going to last you all your life. And I can say that from my, my own personal experience. More than even your relatives, it is your friends who stay by you, stand by you all your life. So nurture your friendships rather than having, petty fights and, getting upset and then becoming violent. No. Learn to resolve those conflicts and hold on to good friendships. So that's my message to all of you. Thank you once again, and especially one very big thank you to the whole team that was standing throughout this program and especially today for helping us, change the venue. So leadership is also about that, meeting and being there for the emergency, being able to cope up with all emergencies and challenges. So thank you for the whole team, to the whole team, who, right from the teachers, to the admins, to the MTS, the IT, every single one of you. Thank you so much. If it had not been for your cooperation, we would not have pulled it so well today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ram. I also
क्या सर?
आप यहाँ से किस
2007 में पास आउट हुआ था मैं सलवान स्कूल से।
क्या एक्सपीरियंस आपका रहा?
बहुत अमेजिंग स्कूल है, यू नो वी हैव वेरी गुड फैसिलिटीज़ ओवर हेयर एंड स्पेसिफिकली आई वुड लाइक टू से योर केमिस्ट्री लैब, योर फिजिक्स लैब, आपका जो स्पोर्ट्स की फैसिलिटी है, योर टीचर्स, एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस।
अब आप क्या करते हैं?
आई एम अ लॉयर बाय प्रोफेशन नाउ, 10 साल हो गए मुझे वकालत करते हुए एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
सार्जेंट शिवम शुक्ला,
आपने कब पास आउट किया था?
2016
आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा बताइए।
स्कूल के लिए एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था, क्योंकि मैं स्कूल में ही मैंने शूटिंग स्टार्ट किया था, तो टीचर्स ने बहुत हेल्प करी, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादातर बाहर रहता था कॉम्पिटिशन के टाइम, 6-6 महीने स्कूल से आउट रहता था। तो जब भी स्कूल में आता था तो टीचर्स ने हमेशा मतलब एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस और प्रोजेक्ट हेल्प वगैरह बहुत किया है, तो उस वजह से मेरे को काफ़ी हेल्प मिली शूटिंग में भी और स्टडीज़ में भी।
आप इस समय क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे
बच्चों के लिए मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अपने पैशन को फॉलो करें और अपने अंदर की खूबी को पहचानें कि आप किस चीज़ में बढ़िया हैं। आप ये मत देखिए कि मतलब दुनिया क्या कर रही है, आप अपने आप को देखिए कि आप किस चीज़ में अच्छे हैं और उस चीज़ को सुधारने के लिए, उस चीज़ को और अच्छा करने के लिए उस पर काम करिए।
यही कि स्टूडेंट काउंसिल एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट उनके लिए प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे वो अपनी लीडरशिप स्किल्स ग्रूम कर सकते हैं। दे कैन लर्न एंड दे कैन ग्रो एंड दिस इज़ अ वे ऑफ ग्रूमिंग आवर फ्यूचर लीडर्स। सो अगर वो आज ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सही तरह से निभाएंगे तो कल आगे जाके फ्यूचर के लीडर्स बन पाएंगे।
जो आज चीफ गेस्ट आए हुए थे ये आपके ही स्कूल से पास आउट?
यस, ये तीनों हमारे स्कूल के पास आउट हैं और इट्स सच अ प्राउड फीलिंग टू हैव देम बैक हियर टू सी दैट आवर एलुमनाई आर डूइंग सो वेल इन लाइफ एंड दैट वी हैव नर्चर्ड द राइट वैल्यूज इन देम एंड दे आर अपहोल्डिंग दोज वैल्यूज। सो इट्स रियली अ प्राउड मोमेंट टू हैव देम बैक हियर।